Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. Mga weekday warriors ang kasama natin today. Midweek warriors. So, how many bikes are we? 6 bikes. So, dito si Kuya Jody, si Utol, Kuya JR with Kuya Niños Multistrada, tapos si Bomac and si Georgino, ang naka-hyper retard. So Red Rock, quick Red Rock overlook, and then breakfast sa Uncommons. So that's the plan today.
What's up, vlog?
What's up, vlog? How are you?
Vlog of a vlog.
No, ganda rin yung line up today, ah. Not bad. Done. What? Leave it on so it opens so air comes in, bro. It might pop again, like my suit.
Man, you have money in the pocket, not air. Balas sa balas pala tayo eh.
Si Jack, oh, palabas, oh. Para 6 months ata kami dinag-ride ni Utol, eh. Busy.
6 months din bago bumili ng gulong, eh. Kailangan mo nang bilhin yung gloves bago bilhin yung gulong, eh.
Oo, bago gumawa ito, guys. Michelin Power 6. Puta, kapal, oh. Yee!
Balas sa balas tayo today, kita mo?
Alin?
3 pula, 3 itim.
Oo nga, no. Dalawang matanda.
You're an asshole.
Alright, boys.
Go ahead, Jack.
Jack, go ahead. Chill ride only. Kuya, go ahead. Mag-ano ako, video.
Me too.
I'm gonna take a video. Go ahead, Kuya.
Oh. I'm vlogging.
Me and Bomac will stay in the back. Yee, Monster Boys.
Monster boys, Monster boys.
Is Pogi working today?
Yeah. He said he's gonna try to catch up.
To brunch?
Probably.
Oof, oof.
Oh, he wants to go to the dog park. It's a Ducati kind of day.
George got the memo. He was gonna ride the Goldwing, or
he wants to go far, that's why.
Yeah.
He was thinking of going to Boulder. Today we're gonna call this the
proper.
The Ducati Hump Day.
Yep. We're the weekday warriors, bro. Hump Day warriors.
Yeah. Except Kuya Jody. Kuya Jody's retired.
Go ahead, go. Go ahead. You're clear. Oh, Kuya Jody needs to go to Ducati later for the service light.
Okay.
No, later after we eat brunch. Watch your speed there. There's a lot of cops there nowadays.
Okay. This is construction.
Yeah.
It's double penalty, boys. Come on, George. You're breaking the...
I know. The old guy. Come on, man.
There you go. Alright, Kuya Jody.
There you go. Alright. It looks good from here, man.
What does GT E?
Golf. GT. Tea time.
Everybody should grab one and help them out.
Just a little tap. Come on, California. Is that California or Washington?
California?
I mean, we're doing 40. That means 35. Like after this, if you see an opening, go around it. Yeah.
Okay.
Should be okay after this. Okay, Bira, go.
Lord said he wanted to play.
he wants to be the youngest.
Nice. Galing ni Jack ah. Compose na. Thanks.
Thanks. Oh, may confidence. He got confidence. He got new tires, bro.
That's so back in the window.
After how many months? Oh, okay. Oh, you fixed your light, Kuya Jody, ah?
Yeah.
You just have to rebuild it again?
I had to rewire, refix, remount. A whole lot of re.
Come on, George. You're the oldest, but you're thinking the youngest.
Silly boy.
God. Sinundan naman ni Jack. Even Jack followed him.
George. That's not George.
All right.
You a bad boy, Georgie.
Ganda. Very good. Tambay. Let's go. Okay. Kain na kami. Punta kami na Uncommons sa usual spot. Pero paparide natin kay Utol tong monster. So first time niyang ira-ride to. So let's see. Pakiramdam mo na torque rin siya eh. Pero hindi para naman ng Javel halos. Pero
2 group members
Manageable.
yeah, it's manageable. Sometimes though it goes to false neutral, maybe yung third to fourth. So make sure you tingin, ganda ng gloves nito.
Kasha ba sa'yo?
Kanya na yan. Nung nakita ko nga, sabi ko, pwede ito. Yung clutch medyo mababaw ah. So yung mabilis mag-engage yung clutch. Naka-on ba yung cardo mo? Yeah, stay in the back with Jack. He's gonna ride the monster.
But I'm gonna film them.
It's the first time riding. Oh, let's feel the Power 6. Power 6, baby.
It's a touring if you want to switch it.
Huh?
Not touring it.
I can't even find the rear set. I'm used to this.
A little too far back for you?
No, too far forward. Go ahead, George. Is it clear?
Come on, JR. Clear. Man si Jabel. Oh, my gulay.
Woo! Back to Javel, baby. Woohoo! Ah, no! Woohoo! Oh, watch out! Watch out! There's a bird! There's a bird!
Watch out. There's a what?
There's a bird!
Oh, that's a...
How is it, Jack? It was good?
It's light. Yeah.
It's light?
Yeah.
Damn. Feels different with the new tires, bro. Shit. Feels good. I like this.
You miss it?
Yeah. Let me borrow it.
I'm already. Let me borrow it first.
Okay. You try it, bro. It feels good. How many miles you have here now? 9120, 9,000.
Yeah, so it's a,
We got this with ano eh, 3,000 ata eh. 3,000
Yeah.
miles. And then when you have it, it's like what, 6?
like, yeah,
6,
around
7?
there.
Only,
Yeah.
only 3,000 miles. 2 years. Nice. We go exit 215 and then exit Durango.
Okay.
Rango Sunset.
Durango Sunset. Woohoo! Pogi ah. Utang ina. Bagay sa'yo yan, Brad ah.
I like it. It's nice.
Go ahead.
Okay, Jeff.
Bagay.
So somebody know where we're going?
Yeah, keep going, kuya. Keep going. We go right on 215.
All right.
Monster Bros? What's up, Monster Bros?
What's up, sir?
This,
Oh.
there's a motorcycle bump on front.
there's a motorcycle gap on the front.
Yeah, that's why that's slowing down right there.
Ah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, man.
How you like that mirrors, Jack? You liked it?
Oh, yeah.
Terminyo ni.
This one is arrow.
Ako.
Whoop!
Butas ko.
Oh,
Ano nangyari, Jack? Ano nangyari?
it's high.
It's high.
It's high.
Relax.
I gotta brake on it.
Relax.
Oh, shout out Gabi.
What's up, Gab?
Shout out Gab. Hendrik. Kila William.
Shout out.
Ride na.
Right na. Sampa na. Where's he going? No. Don't follow, George. Don't follow. Go straight.
Fucking George.
We're gonna make a right on Durango. Oh, relax, Jack. Kanan na ibaba mo. Kasi nakaya na yung daan.
Madali sa kanan.
Oh.
Yun. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yan. Pag nakaganyan yung daan, kung ano yung mataas na
Kung
part,
saan?
doon may baba yung paa mo.
Huwag ka mag-ano. Problema ko yan dati.
Going to get in front.
Ha? Kuya?
Huwag ka mag-hesitate sa preno.
What's that, kuya?
I said, why don't you, one of you guys that know where we're going, get in front?
He knows where we're going. He's just being
supposed to be
stupid.
George.
Did you guys see the CF Moto V4?
Yeah.
Holy
Moto
shit.
V4, wow.
Active arrow.
Active aero and shit.
It's Ducati killer, bro.
Yeah.
Like China.
What?
Hey, not for nothing. It's
Hey.
probably a third of the price.
Yeah,
Probably.
that's what I'm saying. It's a Ducati. I forgot the word. Ducati price killer.
Yeah.
It looks nice though. It's
It looks good.
yeah. Wonder what's the quality. You know. I mean, if it's cheap enough, it could be a good track bike. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Good, JR, make a left on the first left, okay?
A lot of cars ahead of us though.
So far we've
We're
been
back.
getting lucky, yeah.
That guy's leaving.
Oh, where? Okay.
Truck.
There you go.
Which one's leaving? Black truck. Wait, no, it's blue bottle coffee. Best Frankie. Oh, it's leaving. It's leaving. Yep, that one, the black truck. But it's 15 minutes.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
We can go there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'll go around. There's 6 bikes, so it's 15 times 6. Oh, here you go.
15 times 6.
I don't know much, so that's it. Well, it's at least an hour and a half.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay like that.
Yeah. It's good, it's good. Alright, tapos na tayo mag-lunch. Pero punta tayo ng Ducati kasi si Kuya Jody, yung service light niya on na. So, papatanggal natin yung service light. Pero, malapit lang naman yun. I-test ride natin itong Hypermotard 950 SP ni Georgie. Ngayon natin makakatry na ito ng 950. Tingnan natin kung may babalik natin ng ating feeling sa Hypermotard. Mas abot ko to. Start. Ay. Ooh, Georgie on the monster. It's high too, but I can reach this better. I think it's because of the seat.
But, sige, una ka na.
Woohoo! Hypermotard! It's nice to have a quick shifter in the Hyper. Ah, damn! Bro, that quick shifter is nice.
Bro, the Hyper is gonna be registered again.
Woohoo! Sarap ng quick shifter. That is green, 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 green. And just like that, we're on Ducati.
Bike coming.
Oh, that's Vince.
Right, you're right.
I like
That's
the
probably the better idea.
I like the quick shifter. Yeah, I wish I have one on the Hyper. Thanks, Vince. Happy birthday again. There you go. Birthday ni Vince. So, alis na kami dito. Hindi ko na kung saan kami pupunta. Pero, tingnan natin.
Where are we going?
I don't know, you tell me.
I don't care.
Where?
I just want to keep riding, though. I don't care where you guys want to.
Well, somebody take the lead. Good job.
You guys want to go to the park at Mount Charleston?
What park? Mount Charleston.
The park by the rotunda.
God damn, you guys want to ride there?
Make a difference to me.
Jack, you good?
He's on vacation, man.
Jack, you good there?
Yeah, good job. Good. That's all.
Ay, putang ina, namamatay motor ko. Hold on, shit's dying.
Yep, coming here. I'm stopping here.
Mature.
Hindi, it's dying, it's turning off.
Yeah, may usok nga na puti eh.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Baka ano lang, carbon buildup.
Alright, I guess we're going Mount Charleston. Let's go. Kuya Jer has the right bike for it. Guys wanna exit Sunset or
Whatever's easier.
Okay. We'll just exit Sunset. Alright, just like that, we're back in the mountains. Oh, there's a car. Watch out on the right side.
There's a car on the right side.
Yep.
Okay, he gave way. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
70 degrees, baby.
Oh, it's 70, but it's overcast. That's why it's a little.
What? 68.
Jack, you good?
Yep.
Okay. Steady lang. Push the handlebar. We were just here last week, but I didn't vlog it because I want to enjoy the ride last week. I think I'm gonna drink another coffee.
Wait, Jody's gonna drink another Coke.
If they have it. Last week they do.
You have one bottle.
One bottle last week, no? Hopefully there's one today.
Corkscrew.
Oh, there's a Popo over here.
Popo.
What's happening? Why is Popo here?
Just park it like this. We can go out over there. So, all right. Am I recording? I am recording. Hell yeah.
Yes. All right.
Okay.
Wait, yeah, I got it. More.
Yep.
There you go.
I'm good.
Okay.
Ah,
That
the manhead is the kamay.
was a good ride. Out of
That's a
nowhere.
very comfortable ride. Yeah.
Out of nowhere, we go to Mount Charleston.
Nobody said no. Everybody said, I don't care. Whatever.
Okay, let's go. All right, that's all she wrote. We're going home.
Bro.
The branch ride that became a Mount Charleston ride.
It became a real ride.
Yeah.
We had to break in a tire, a new set of tires, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Jack, you follow Kuya Bama. I'll stay behind you.
Okay.
Damn, my bad, bro.
What up?
What's the temperature here right now?
63.
63?
63 in my clock. Oh, there's one coming.
Go. You're
I'll
good.
stay on the right.
You're clear,
Okay.
you're good.
Good? Okay.
Yep.
Good.
All good. Suave. I like it. Bye, Monster Bro.
Bros.
Alright, text me when you get home.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Alright.
Alright, Kuya.
Alright.
See you later. Yep, later.
Alright. See you in a couple hours.
Yeah. Bye, Kuya
Bye, bro.
Jody. See you later. Alright. Branch ride na naging budol ride.
Connection lost.
Nabudol tayo. Wala kasing magsabi saan pupunta. Sabi ni Bomac, mag-Mount Charleston na lang. Okay din, nagpalamig sa taas. Medyo warm dito sa baba ngayon. Pero next week, supposed to be malamig na. So itong pauwi kami medyo mahangin eh. So I guess magdadala to ng lamig bukas if magtuloy-tuloy yung hangin. Pero yun, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin today. Until the next one, ingat kayo dyan and enjoy. Let's go.